Imagine your rearview mirror transforming into an incredibly intelligent device. That with 1080p front camera and 9.66-inch big streaming media touchscreen that could show you crystal clear front and rear views and record highest quality videos to see more traffic information as well. A device that with 150-degree ultra-wide lens to cover the entire road ahead and capture all the critical details like license plates, signposts, etc. A device with AHD low exposure, 1080p back camera, and f1.8 6G glass plus one IR lens that greatly enhances night vision while you're reversing. That's also packed with the high-end image sensor, which prevents video overexposure to give you a clear image of what's behind your car. Imagine a device with G-sensor, loop recording system, and 24 hours parking monitor to protect the built-in battery, so that the device will automatically turn on to record videos when detecting collision. And above all, imagine a device with all the mentioned features along with an exclusively external GPS system as well. Doesn't it seem incredibly unbelievable to have so many features combined into a single smart device? Introducing Rove M3 with 1080p front and rear camera, 9.66-inch big streaming media touchscreen, 140-degree ultra-wide lens reverse assistance, G-sensor, loop recording system, 24 hours parking monitor, and an exclusively external GPS system. Rove Dashcam, securing your drive to a safer future.